This is Joanna from living in El Salvador, and we are just sitting here in the clinic, just sitting outside. My husband's getting his complete checkout since he's been having some health problems. So we are here first time in Ahuachapan in the clinic. We came with his auntie so she can show us around where exactly to go, how to do that whole process. So she came with us over here, and here we are. So there's a lot of different doctor offices. For example, this one is ultrasound. There's another doctor office right there. There's all kinds of doctors. Doctors over here. This one's a family doctor, that one I'm waiting for right in the corner. And then there's another office, doctor's office, family doctor's office. And so this clinic is pretty big, and it has, you can find everything over here: x-rays, ultrasounds, physiotherapists, family doctors, nutritionists, everything's here. And so we are just here for our first consultation, so we are just waiting here for the doctor. And I'm just sitting here in the sun because it's morning and it's a little bit windy and cool, so it's a little bit, like I said, I mentioned before, I don't like cold at all, so I'm just warming up in the morning sun right now. They even have optic. You can check your eyes in here. They have everything in here. There's x-rays, laboratorios, all different. And there's also hospital in here. Oh yeah, hospital's that way, I guess. Which is very nice. You have everything here. Centro Clínico Hospitalario. So So we got some prescriptions, and the consultation cost us $20. That's the clinic, and there's pharmacy over there, and there's also hospital here. And we parked on our street, but there's some parking over here. So we are just here sitting in a little park in Ahuachapan, and we're just gonna walk to the pharmacy to buy my husband's medicine. And this is one of the beautiful churches of Ahuachapan, and it's called the Iglesia del Calvario. And right here we are in a pharmacy buying my husband's medicine, and it's nice because this pharmacy had all the medicine my husband needed. So this is the next day, and we came to Centro Médico in Ahuachapan to take some blood tests for my husband. So there's the laboratorio over there, and I'm just gonna show you around. So again, this clinic is really nice and beautiful. Has a lot of different doctor offices, has pediatrics, has physiotherapists, has x-rays, and has blood work. That's where my husband is right now. And so yeah, In this office, this clinic is right next to the clinic where we go see our doctor. So it's all together pretty much, which is very nice. Very nice medical building with a little garden inside of it. Very nice. Very nice and clean. There's my hubby, all done. Oh yeah, how many bottles?
Just one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the medical building. I have water over here. And there's another doctor.
It's fast though.
Super fast, yeah. And
Lunch, they should have the results.
The water's right there. Oh, after lunch. So after lunch we have to come back and get the results from here. Yeah, it was really fast. So they have everything over here, right? They have physiotherapy, they have ultrasound. It hurts?
Yeah.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. So this is the medical center. So you can even find dentists, dental stuff in here. And there's quite a bit of parking, so it's really nice and easy and fast. So we are back at the doctor's again, and this is where I got my ultrasound done for my thyroid, which cost me $40. And so we are just here waiting to see my doctor again, to see the consultation with my doctor, because I have all my blood work done and the ultrasound. So we're just gonna go see that doctor to see what he says. So yeah. And the next office to our doctor is a nutritionist, which is great. And like I said, everything is so close. Like where I got my blood work test done, it's next clinic, but they're almost like next to each other. So everything you get done within this clinic, which is great. And you can get it all within one day. Hello, this is Joanna from Living in El Salvador. And today I want to share with you guys a little bit about medical in El Salvador. So one of my subscribers asked me how much is medical in El Salvador. There are two medicals in El Salvador. One is private and one is public. And the public medical is mostly for free. It is free medical in El Salvador. And what that means is you can go to hospital, you can go to emergencies free of charge. And even sometimes you can get your medicine for free too, and sometimes you have to pay for it. And I can share with you guys from my experience, from our experience of being here in El Salvador. So we've been coming here since 2007. And we never actually had to buy medical or worry about medical, because since first time we came to El Salvador in 2007, one of my youngest boys got really sick, and we had to go to emergency clinic, and it was absolutely free of charge. It didn't cost us anything, even though they gave my son medicine and even medicine to take home. It cost us absolutely nothing, including the medicine. And the next time, which was around 2011, 2012, when we were here, my husband went to the hospital, emergency in Sonsonate, with an infection from his wound. And so they cleaned his infection really, really good, and they prescribed him antibiotics to take. And it was the same thing. There was no charge for medicine or for service. So yeah, so we never had to worry about medical in El Salvador. And even dental is really affordable in El Salvador. For example, we took our son, that was in 2012 too, around that year, to the dentist to pull his tooth out. And again, there's dentists everywhere. You can find any dentist. And so it cost us $6 to take his tooth out. So, and it was done right away. So it was like I said, there's almost no need for private medical. And I mean, like I said, if you need I don't know much about private medicals. I know that there's private hospitals, and for that you need your private medical. I'm not sure how to get it or what do you need to qualify for private medical in El Salvador. So if you know anything about how to get private medical and how much it costs, if you can let me know in the comments, that'd be wonderful so I know in future. And yeah, but so far we don't have, we just have normal medical, public medical. And so with my husband trying to do his full medical, we went to medical center in Ahuachapan. And the reason we went to medical center in Ahuachapan is because my husband's auntie lives there and she really likes her doctor, and which she referred him to us. And so that's why we decided to go to Ahuachapan. There's a lot of clinics around here in Ciudad Real too, which we could have gone to, but like I said, she really liked her doctor, so we decided to go to Ahuachapan. And so that consultation, the first consultation cost $20 to see the doctor. And then the doctor prescribed my husband some blood work. And so the beautiful thing about the medical center in Ahuachapan is that it has everything in there. So you can do your blood test work done, you can do your x-rays, ultrasounds. They pretty much have everything in there. And the center is called CECLISA, Centro Clínico Hospitalario. And like I said, there's also hospital right there. So it's a beautiful, large medical center where you pretty much get everything there. There's physiotherapists, there's everything pretty much in there. And that's where we found our doctor. And we really liked him, so that's why we will probably keep going there. And but like I said, this one's not really free because you do have to pay $20 for a consultation. And so yeah, so my husband got his blood work done. And the beautiful thing is you can do all your tests and all your exams within one day because everything's there. So, but we had to do it in a few days because when we went to see the doctor and to get the blood work done, we had to come back first thing in the morning next day. So we came back next day, first thing in the morning at 7 o'clock to do the blood work test done. And by 11:30, the results were in. So you get the results right away. To get my husband's blood test, there was a fee of $40. But like I said, he got the results right away. So that same day we went back to the doctor, and that service was absolutely free because it was included in consultation. So we didn't have to pay another $20 to see the doctor. So yeah, so it was pretty straightforward. Like I said, you can get it done all in one day because everything's there. And yeah, and so because my husband's got it all done, I thought I would decide to go and check myself also because I've been having problems with my thyroid for a few years now and I haven't been checking it regularly. So I thought it's about time to check my my thyroid, especially after checking the doctor, and we really like the doctor. So I thought I would also do my medical checkup. So again, the consultation was $20 and the doctor prescribed me to do ultrasound and again blood work. So the ultrasound was next door to my doctor's office. So I got that done and right away I got my results and that cost $40. And then I had to come back the next day again to do my blood work, which that cost $30. And over here I got my blood work done for T4, T3, and TSH. And yeah, and in Canada I just got my blood work done for thyroid. It was never done for T4, T3, or TSH. And I never was prescribed to do my ultrasound on my thyroid. So I was really happy with that. And so yeah, and again, my blood work was done by 11:30 the same day. So all the results I got done in the same day, which was wonderful. And so yeah, so I just want to share with you guys like my x-ray, how it was done. So I got all these pictures done, and there's an explanation of my thyroid, what it's doing, and the blood work looks something like this. This one is just mine, so I got the T4, T3, and the TSH blood work done, and my husband had, like I said, he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He had 5 different tests, and it shows right here, and that was $40. But like I said, you get your results right away, quick, fast, and yeah. So then I went back to the doctor. He prescribed me some medicine. And so then I went to a pharmacy to get my medicine. So let me just share with you guys the total of my husband's medical cost and mine. So my husband's consultation was $20. His blood work was $40. Then he got 2 different kind of medicine, which was, they were pretty actually expensive. They were $32 and $26. So the full total for my husband was $116. For me, the consultation was $20, ultrasound was $40, and then my blood work was $30, and my medicine was only $6, which is insane because the medicine I got for my thyroid is for 2 months. So it's really affordable and good price. And another thing I want to mention you, when we got our blood test done, they only took 1 tube of blood for all of us, and my husband had 6 tests done, 6 different blood tests were done, and they only took 1 tube of blood. In Canada, every time we got our test done, blood test done, if it's for 1 or 2 things, they would always take 3 or 4 tubes of blood, which was pretty strange, but we were really happy that over here they only took 1 tube of blood. And like I said, so the service was absolutely amazing. We're really happy with the results, and we're happy with the doctor. So this is probably where we'll be going back. And as for myself, I have to go back to the doctors after 3 months to check if my thyroid's getting better, or if it's improving, or if it's not changing, see how it's going, and then we'll go from there. But like I said, we're really happy with the results. We really like the medical center because everything's done. You get your results right away. And like I said, that's pretty much everywhere over here. There's clinics everywhere over here. You can get my son, when he was living here for 2 years, he would get his injections done because there's clinics everywhere, and it gets done right away. His injections were costing only $1 to get injected when he had injury for his soccer. So yeah, so there's no need to worry about medical in El Salvador because it's, like I said, we don't worry about it. We don't buy private medical or anything like that. Maybe in the future, once I know what it is to qualify, or what we need to qualify to get it and how much it is. But otherwise, yeah, so that's all I want to share with you guys. And like I said, if any recommendations, any ideas, please let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate it. And otherwise, yeah, I don't think I missed anything. Hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give me the likes, thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe because I'll be making lots of more videos like this. The cost of living in El Salvador, which I was asked to do a video about, and us going to Lago Coatepeque. And so yeah, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Adios.